This is Natalia Elizalde, Chief Business Officer at VIVEbiotech. VIVEbiotech is a company fully specialized on lentiviral vectors since 10 years now, working on all the phases from very early stages up to commercial. Vector precision will be important indeed for the kind of in vivo like lentiviral vector developments because of several reasons. For instance, different pseudotypes are key in order to reach the target cell. Additionally, tissue-specific promoters can play an important role, and modified producer cell lines are also of interest in order to modify the lentiviral vector and therefore, for instance, evading the immune system, among other kind of strategies. So from my point of view, this is something that is relevant. Yeah. Obviously, this will enhance the success possibilities of in vivo lentiviral vectors being used for different applications such as in vivo CAR-Ts, rare diseases, or vaccines because of the reasons that I just explained in the prior question.